Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So as of now running with this strangle of 18,200 and 400. So to start with, what the hell is this? I mean, if you'll see the straddle opened with 25 as premium at max, it is at running 54.4. In total it is 55 when it opened. So on a monthly expiry, and right at the opening, if a straddle is trading with 55 as premium, it's simply so there is a high risk of a spike or means there is a very high risk of gamma play in both the direction. Okay, so here I'm not means I won't be playing very aggressive. Although if you'll see, this is just what 100 points away, but can't help it. This is what the premium I got even in the 100 points away strikes. So what is the adjustment plan? I will simply jump into that thing. So the adjustment point from here is I will talk in two terms. The first one will obviously be premium. So if any one of them touch 5.5 or at max 6, okay, I will simply cut that leg and I will switch that leg to one strike lower. For example, if this particular thing touch 5.5 or 4.6 for that matter, so I will switch this 200p to 150p. Okay, and the same goes for 403. So if it hit 5.5, then I will switch it to 450. So I'm not going to take any kind of risks today. Okay, because actually there is no space for risk. If even in that case, if I take the risk, okay, and if I get a SL hit of 30%, 40%, I'm not going to recover. And I'm not talking a single strike SL hit. Okay, अगर 30% का एक साइड SL hit हुआ तो दूसरे साइड में कवर कर लूंगा. But if I get 2 or 3 SL hit continuously of 30%, then I'm not going to recover at all. This is the case here. Okay, so better not to get burned, better to collect whatever market will offer you with a peace of mind. Okay, so that is why this is the plan of action for now. This is in terms of premium. What if premium keeps on melting from here and market is right now here only? So see, I will wait for a while. Means I'm expecting कि market अभी तो बड़ा move नहीं करने वाला है, at least for another 1 hour, one and a half hour, I guess that is what I'm guessing कि market यहाँ पे ही रहेगा क्योंकि अभी OI build होगा. Premium बहुत कम है, तो all the big players will be playing with the in the money option. So I will be looking at the in the money option very aggressively here, and that's why अगर मैं आपको मैं strike दिखाऊं तो मेजॉरली मैंने इन द स्ट्राइक ऑप्शन ही सिलेक्ट कर रखा है क्योंकि मुझे देखना है इन द मनी में क्या प्लान क्या चल रहा है. अगर इन द मनी में कुछ हलचल मुझे दिखा तो आई विल रीस्ट्रक्चर माय पोजीशन दैट वे ओनली. सो या दिस इज अ थिंग, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट इफ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मार्केट इसी रेंज में अभी फिलहाल रहने वाला है, यहाँ से 269 से यहाँ के ऊपर तक में, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे कहीं भी ब्रीच होता है तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा, पहले तो मेरा हो सकता है वो ऐसा लेट हो जाए. अगर नहीं भी होता है तो मैं देखूंगा क्या मुझे वहां से स्विच कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. If yes, then I will simply switch that thing. So means what all I am trying to say, I'm going to aggressive. I'm not going to be aggressive here. Okay, because there is no point in being aggressive here. Okay, so yeah, this is a plan of action. So I will explain about everything about OI today, but not in this clip, in another clip, because it will take some time to get the OI build, and this is just 925. So we'll wait for another half an hour to happen. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कि OI में स्ट्रक्चरिंग कैसे हो रहा है, and then we'll analyze. Okay, so I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, quick update. Time is 12:35 and now I am holding this particular position 250p and 500c. इस पे बहुत कम क्वांटिटी है जो कि मैं कभी भी स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दूंगा. ये दोनों बस होल्ड करके बैठा हुआ कुछ मैक्सिमम ये है मेरा जो पोजीशन है. सो मैंने जो आपको अपडेट दिया था कि मैं 5.5 पे इसे एग्जिट करूंगा, मैंने इसे 5.5 पे एग्जैक्टली एग्जिट किया. मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको. या लुक एट इट. तो 5.65, 5.7 ये पूरा का पूरा एग्जिट हुआ 5.65 के एवरेज में. ओके, उसके बाद फिर इसने हाई बनाया है, वेट, हाई तो इसने बनाया है 14.5 का. तो इसलिए एक्चुअली देयर इज अ फेयर ऑफ मूवमेंट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्राइक बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट व्हाट 22 points away. Okay, so yeah, the fear is there and it can spike if another 10 15 points of move will happen. Then this particular strike from 9 it will go all the way long to maybe 20 30 something like that. So इसलिए मैंने तो उसी वक्त एग्जिट किया. उसके बाद कुछ प्रीमियम खास था नहीं, इस पे कुछ प्रीमियम था बट मैंने 1.93 के एवरेज पे सेल किया था. मैं आपको वो भी दिखा देता हूँ. उसके बाद यहाँ पे जब ये एग्जिट हुआ उसके बाद 2 के एवरेज पे ये मेरा सेल हुआ है और ये भी काफ़ी ऊपर गया. फिर मैंने इसे एग्जिट कहाँ किया, आपको दिखाता हूँ, एक सेकेंड। अभी यहाँ पे आप दिख रहे होंगे आपको, ये 2 पे मैंने सेल किया है, उसका 2.65 पे मैंने एक लॉट एग्जिट किया और एक 3.26 पे एग्जिट किया है। मीन्स उस पर मैंने एक छोटा सा ऐसा लिया और फिर मैं बिल्कुल रिस्ड ऑफ होकर के इस पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन को होल्ड करके मैं बैठा हूँ। और या अब यहाँ से कुछ है नहीं फिलहाल, अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे मे बी आई विल गेट अनदर 2.5 पॉइंट्स विच इज लाइक 10K, or I will try to collect some points after 2, but not now. I'm not going to be aggressive that too in the second half, and that too on a monthly expiry. So I will just keep my distance and that much, so that I should not be in a hurry to do adjustment. Okay, so this is the thing. So yeah, this is the position I will be holding. And now talking about OI data, see, there is nothing much to talk about. Okay, there is writing all over the place. First thing, second, I'm not holding very aggressive position, so that I have to look onto the data a lot. Okay, so that is the thing. So yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, final update. Time is 3:39 and I booked everything at everything with 12.3K profit. So nothing to say about the last move. Why? See, before that I have shared few of the assets which got hit of mine. So the worst SL out of them, which I haven't said because I haven't made any clip there, so was there, means here this particular strike, this 450 actually spiked quite a bit, and it went till 2.3 something. Okay, and I sorted it at 0.8 here. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे कहीं सेल किया था 0.8 पे, and I actually squared it off at 2.5 2.8 I guess, as far as I remember. It went till 3.2 something like that. So I got a hit here, and quantity 4K was something, and at the same time there was not premium at all, and I was not taking risk at the same time. See, when premium is less, obviously market is expecting less volatility, so people try to play a bit aggressive, and they are quite nearby to the ATM. But today also I thought no, I won't be taking any risk, because today was monthly expiry. If it would have been some other expiry, any weekly expiry, then I would have taken the risk, but this was monthly expiry, and that's why I didn't take the risk. And it is quite obvious now in this particular move why is monthly expiry had to be taken very carefully, means has to be traded very carefully, otherwise you can get a hit which can take away all your gain of your month. Okay, and this month last expiry I already had made a very big blunder, and because of that all my gain of last expiry, along with along with almost 0.4% of my capital, has got eroded. Okay, I'm talking about the gain first and then 0.4% of my capital. Okay, I'm not saying कि मैं काफी capital गया. First gain of 40K, and then 0.4% extra of my capital that got eroded because of the last move that happened on the expiry day. Where was that day? Wait, yeah, this particular move, this particular single candle. So here मैंने मैं at the money, मैं अभी है ना यहाँ पे ब्रेक इवन पे रन कर रहा था when this particular candle happened. तो मैंने quickly, because I was holding 450, but when this zone which I made, ये जैसे ही break हुआ, I simply cut that 450 with whatever loss it was giving me, and because this big candle till here only, all my gain, whatever gain 7-8K was there, got eroded, and I was at break even. So I cut it right here when it just broke it, and I waited for a while. But मैं जब देखा मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा तो मैंने एंट्री नहीं किया. मैं जब यहाँ पे जब ये कैंडल छोटा बन रहा था तब मैंने एंट्री किया, वो भी ये सोचकर कि हो सकता है मार्केट यहाँ पे सस्टेन करे. फर्स्ट थिंग, सेकंड, एवरेजिंग पीरियड स्टार्टेड राइट हियर. So I thought even if market will move big, I don't think 500 will be in the money. Okay, and that's what happened. If you'll see, market actually moved till 530, but this particular option ये कभी भी 1.5 को भी क्रॉस नहीं किया. Okay, या 1.7 गया है, but that too it reached 305. उसके बाद ये 1.7 को क्रॉस भी नहीं किया. ठीक है. So reason was very simple, averaging was there, and it was right last 10-15 minutes of averaging. So I was very confident, even if from here market will move another 100 point, that won't be in the money option. Okay, because averaging period पिछले 15 मिनट से हो रखा था. Now, so यहाँ पे हिट लेने के बाद यहाँ पे भी यहाँ पे हिट लेने के बाद फिर यहाँ हिट लेने के बाद मैं एग्जिट करके यहाँ पे एंटर किया, और फिर मैंने 12K बनाया. मतलब कि ब्रेक इवन से 12K I made in this particular point only, means from in the last 50 minutes only, and complete day went, I just wasted in adjusting, and I gained nothing from that. So means obviously this is not an approach, and this is not a favorable outcome for me, and I don't know, matlab maybe I should have a bit aggressive, and these complete up moves were very slow, so they were not giving that that pinch to anyone. I'm talking about non-directional traders. The adjustment were quite easy, I guess. Okay, but still, I'm happy with the approach, and I'm happy the way I ended my trade. Okay, and now at the same time I want to show you two more account. In this particular account I trade just directional trading. Okay, so I'm showing you today, but I'm playing this account from the last 1 month, 1.5 months, I guess. Okay, so this account is mainly for directional trading, nothing else. Okay, I just do directional option selling here, nothing else. अगर आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा ये कॉल मैंने लास्ट में सेल किया था कुछ प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करने को, मैं वो भी दिखाई देता हूँ। यहाँ पे मैंने सेल किया, सॉरी यहाँ पे ये पूरा आपको दिख रहा होगा, ये 5 एंट्री। बाकी उसके बाद पहले मैं सिर्फ पुट को सेल किया था, और वो भी पुट पे ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव एंट्री मैंने लिया नहीं। रीजन वॉज बिकॉज टुडे वॉज एक्सपायरी, ऑब्वियसली माई मेन फोकस विल बी ऑन दिस अकाउंट, सो आई जस्ट प्लेड हियर विद अ वेरी रिस्क ड्रॉप अप्रोच, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई सॉर्टेड OTM ऑप्शन. माई व्यू वॉज ऑब्वियसली ऑन अपसाइड, दैट्स व्हाई आई सॉर्टेड जस्ट पुट साइड. So but still managed to get 5.7 K for the day, and the margin here is 7.5 lakh. Yesterday I booked 8.6 K, I guess. Okay, and that too, few of the profit got eroded also because last profit booking. And there is one more account I want to show you, this particular one. So sorry, yeah, this particular one. यहाँ पे मैं इस मेन अकाउंट को कॉपी करने वाला हूँ. ओके, और आई विल शेयर द डिटेल. जस्ट टुडे व्हाट आई वांट टू शो यू इज कि यहाँ पे मैंने अगले वीकली एक्सपायरी का मीन्स 1 दिसंबर का मैंने ऑप्शन लिया था, एंड आई सॉर्टेड इट. वेट, मैं यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ. एट 9:53 मैंने इसे एग्जिट किया 3 o'clock में, सॉरी या मैंने इसे एग्जिट किया 3 o'clock में. बट बिफोर दैट, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अप मूव, ऑब्वियसली ऑल द स्ट्राइक्स, ऑल द कॉल साइड स्ट्राइक विल spike a lot, but before that only there were not any significant decay. I didn't adjust even for once in these strikes, and still I have never seen more than 2 points of decay, 2.5 points of decay in these strike. And after that, when my break even got hit, I simply exited this thing. So yeah, I will say more detail about this account, okay, and also of this directional trading account later on in the coming videos. But for now, this is the account we have to focus on mainly. So yeah, in this account, whatever is the profit for the day is 12.3 K, and for this, I am happy with the approach. Again, I will say the same thing. I'm happy with my approach today, and I am happy how I closed in this account, in at least in the last half an hour. So yeah, I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I'm doing are making sense to you, and if they do, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.